Consider the following trig problem. Here we're given that the sine of theta is equal to A, the cosine of that same theta is equal to B. We want to represent each of the following in terms of A and B. All right, let's look at A. First off, we have the sine of a negative theta. Well, what do we know about the sine? The sine is an odd function, so we can write this as the negative sine of theta. Look at the cosine. We know that the cosine is an even function, so the cosine of negative theta is the same thing as the cosine of theta. So we can then write this in terms of A and B by saying if sine is A, then we have minus A plus the cosine of theta is B, we have minus A plus B. And that is our first expression in terms of A and B. Now let's look at part B. We have the tangent of theta minus the secant of theta. Let's start by writing the tangent as being the sine of theta over the cosine of theta minus 1 over the cosine of theta for the secant. Now we're going to write this in terms of our A's and B's. We know that sine is A, cosine of theta B, and then once again cosine of theta being B. That's our expression right there. So this would be written as two fractions, or if you want to write your answer as a single fraction, we have a common denominator of B, so this could be written as A minus 1 all over B. And so we've written both of our expressions in terms of A and B.